Good morning. Here are the latest political and sports updates from India for 5th April 2025. Political developments. Prime Minister Modi's diplomatic engagements. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a two-day state visit to Sri Lanka, aiming to enhance cooperation in energy, defense, and investment sectors. This visit marks the first by an international leader since President Anura Kumara Dissanayike's appointment in September. Discussions include India's potential export of liquefied natural gas to Sri Lanka and the development of a regional energy hub in Trincomalee. Additionally, plans for a defense cooperation pact are underway to bolster Sri Lanka's defense capabilities. India's response to US tariffs. The Indian Trade Ministry has indicated that it does not plan to retaliate against the recent US tariff increases, choosing instead to seek new avenues for engagement. The new US tariffs will raise duties on Indian goods from 10% to 27% starting 9th April. In a strategic move to enhance trade relations, India has recently reduced tariffs on several US products, including motorcycles and whiskey. Wikimedia Foundation ordered to remove defamatory content. The Delhi High Court has directed the Wikimedia Foundation to remove content deemed defamatory from a Wikipedia page about Indian news agency Annie. The court ruled that certain statements on Wikipedia harmed Annie's professional reputation and must be taken down. This follows a defamation lawsuit filed by Annie, highlighting the ongoing tension between free speech and reputation rights in India. Sports highlights. Indian Premier League, IPL, 2025 updates. In a recent match, Lucknow Super Giants, LSG, posted a formidable total of 203 for 8 in 20 overs against Mumbai Indians, MI. Mitchell Marsh scored 60 off 31 balls, and Aden Markaram contributed 53 off 38 balls. Despite Hardik Pandya's impressive 5-wicket haul, 536, LSG managed to reach the 200-run mark. Rohit Sharma's absence due to injury. Mumbai Indians star opener, Rohit Sharma, was ruled out of the match against Lucknow Super Giants due to a knee injury. Captain Hardik Pandya confirmed that Rohit was hit on the knee and is missing the game. Esports debut at Khelo India Youth Games 2025. Esports is set to make its debut as a demonstration sport at the Khelo India Youth Games, KIG, 2025, scheduled to be held in Bihar from May 4 to 15. This inclusion aims to provide a platform for budding esports talent in the country. Preparation for Olympics 2036. The Sports Authority of India, SAI, has initiated preparations for the 2036 Olympics by planning to establish 10 Olympic training centers. Each center will focus on a specific discipline, and 150 athletes will be selected from the Khelo India program to train at these facilities. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates. And have a wonderful day ahead.